I blew out 4 candles on a chocolate birthday cake. And Daddy took a picture, the kind you had to shake. And I unwrapped Lincoln Logs, Legos and little trucks, and a fishing pole from Grandpa wrapped in last month's ears and roebuck. He let me ride in the truck bed down to the hardware store, where we picked up night crawlers, hooks and weights and cords. Sat in his lap and helped him back the boat into the river. And those things that seemed so small back then now feel a whole lot bigger. He'd answer every question, one story at a time, pouring out his wisdom and untangling my line. Sometimes I stop and wonder what kind of man I'd be without sunny honey holes with Grandpa and that Zebco 33. Say, son, be patient, 'cause the fish don't always bite. Plus it ain't about what you catch, just enjoy the peace and quiet. 'Cause the years sure go by fast, so don't live in a hurry. And whenever you got time, I'll be your fishing buddy. He'd answer every question, one story at a time, pouring out his wisdom and untangling my line. Sometimes I stop and wonder what kind of man I'd be without sunny honey holes with Grandpa and that Zebco 33. Forever, I always knew this day would come. So I sit here in his swivel chair, pushing this button with my thumb. But I know he's in a better place, watching over me and fishing our old honey hole with that Zebco 33. Yeah, when I find myself struggling, I cast my memory to better days with Grandpa and that Zebco 33. Well, my little girl just blew out 4 candles on a chocolate birthday cake.